Okay, here we are again, looking at dandelions, and you'll know if you've read my book, Grow Your Own Booze, that there's some great recipes for dandelion beer and dandelion wine. And today, in my dandelion wild garden, we're looking at how to make dandelion capers. Nice if you like bread and cheese, stuff like that. You will find the tiny buds right at the base of your dandelion plant, so you can see these wee buds coming up, and you need to fill a small screw top jar with that. Now, the liquid that you pickle these in is 1 part water, 1 part sugar, and 1 part malt or cider or balsamic vinegar, and you heat that up till it's quite hot. Pour it on top of the capers in the jar, seal the jar, turn it upside down for a few minutes, leave to cool, and it should last you up to 2 years. You can add peppercorns if you wish.